Good evening. Today is 18th March 2025. Today there was a good up move. So market closed little positive, means today also it's continuously it is positive. So you can see here the today's 5 minutes first 5 minute candle opened near 22,663, around 140 point gap up. Then afterwards it has came down to 22,609. So hence what we selected 22,600 CE and 22,600 PE, both we have selected. You can see here there is a indicator support clearly in the first 5 minute candle itself in the PE side. Hence what we did, we put the stop loss trigger order around 73. We put the stop loss trigger order, and which got triggered by 9:30. 9:30 it has got triggered by 9:30. Afterwards, actually, what I did, so because already it is 4-5 candles already moved up again. So what I did, I tried a little fast and I exited around 66. Around 66 I exited with the trial fast and around 66 I exited. So you can see here 73 we booked, 73 we entered. 73 entered and 66 I exited. 65 I exited. So 8 point we booked here. Here I booked. Here I booked near about 8 point. First trade we booked 8 point. Points. But whereas if you follow this one based on the 5 EMA and as well as fractal, so our stop loss we can trial here also. We can trial and we can put the this one here. It is coming this area around. You can see here around 12:15. We exit around 50 means 74 we enter, 73 entered and 50 means so that is means based on the stop loss if you are following so following the 15 EMA, so we booked based on 15 EMA. So we would have booked around 23 points. For that patience is required. So because before that, if you are seeing there is no entry, actually as per the system there is no entry, which entry is further, it is triggering further also. So if you see here the 22 means around 12:30, if you see 12:25, so spot moved to 22,775. So hence, so 22,750 CE as well as 22,750 PE. PE, what we have changed the strike. So if 22,700 PE, if you see here there was a continuous sideways movement. So hence what we did here after this breakout, we entered this area if you see, we waited for this candle has given the confirmation, we waited for that, we entered around 10 here 109, we entered 109. Then afterwards, as per the system, you see, as per the system, the first stop loss will be 107, then second stop loss will be 100, then third stop loss is the 96 as per the system. So that means near about 15 point. Here we booked it to 15 point. Here we booked 15 points. So then further, if you see further, there is a indicator support only this area. So but there is no breakout here. And if you see here further in the C side, there is no breakout here. Then P side, if you see P side afterwards, if you see 12:50, if you see 12:30 means 1 o'clock there. 1 o'clock, if you see 1 o'clock, there is a breakout below this candle. Below this candle, there is a breakout. So we got entered around 89. We got entered. Then afterwards, if you see, this is the same thing, and if you based on the system, if you see the stop loss, The second stop loss is this one is the second stop loss. And afterwards, if you see, there is a next stop loss is around 81. Then next stop loss is near this one, actually 76. We entered 89 and 76. That means 89 minus 76. So here 13 point. Booked 13 points here. Then afterwards, if you see here, afterwards, again there is a breakout. This area, if you see here, this is the area breakout. Below this fractal, there is a breakout. Then here also there is a breakout, same thing only. So 70 we entered, then slowly we trialed, and finally we exited by around 55. 70, 55, 50, 53. 53, 70 means here 17 point plus 17. 17 points equal to 30 points. Okay, so total if you see here, C side we booked around 15 point, and you can see totally we can see here. First entry, P side first entry, there was around 8 point, plus now total P entry 30 point equal to 38 point, and C side 15 point plus 38 point is equal to 48, 53 point, total 53 point. Total as per the system, as per the candle by candle trailing, if you would have followed 53 point, would have booked. But whereas I have booked around 37 points today, because of sometimes there is a fast TSL we filed fast. That is why some point we lost, because of sometimes it may get reversal also based on the AC and AO, because now that the market has closed. That is why we are seeing the clear cut AC and AO, what is the condition of the bar. But whereas during running market, sometimes AC may change into green. That time we would have tried the things. So then afterwards it may turn into red. So by the time you would have came out from the trade. So such type of things will happen, that we cannot, because all the 100% we cannot able to capture the points. So anyway, out of 53, 37 point capturing also, it's a very good thing. And if you would have followed that 15 EMA today, further you would have booked around another 15 point. You would have booked another 15 point. So everything we cannot be able to combine in this thing. So it's based on the market condition and situations. Sometimes we'll have to exit with fast also. So that is what actually our Williams strategy. If you are following our rules, if you are following our stop loss method, 100% there is no day by day, there is a profit only, there is no loss at all. Month on month we can able to generate the profit. So you can practice. Only thing, practice makes perfect. That is what we can able to say.